Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Himanshu. So for today's task as topic for the task was youth, mental health, friendship. So what I believe in this is friendship plays a very important role when someone is going through a stress of mental health, depression. Friends are the one who can help them for being get away from those mental health problems. Even when we are in that dilemma of being if we are feeling depressed or if we are feeling like anxiety or some other mental disorder, we should approach to a friend, family, someone to whom we are close. And it can be anyone, like your virtual friend, like a real friend, whosoever you want to talk, but you should talk to the one so that you can actually come out of that scenario or that phase where you are facing the problem. Mental health is a very serious issue which usually people don't talk about, and I believe, being a doctor, I believe this, everyone should talk about it. It's a normal thing. If it's like general physical disorder is the same mental disorder is. For an example, general example, it is whenever we go to attempt any exam, we feel anxiety, we talk to our friend, yaar bahut dar lag raha hai, we are feeling so stressed, what should I do, how do I cope up from this? So at that reason we usually take help of our friend. They counsel us, like say, oh, don't take so much problem, you can do it, it's so easy exam, not so stressful, I'll help you out in that. It was just a small example, but I believe that we should approach our friend for the help. Asking for help in some mental problem for mental health is not a bad thing. You should go, you should approach the person to whom you feel like so confident that he will help you, he will listen you. You should go to him. Then, these days the tendencies suicide are increasing among youth. So I believe these are due to that people don't talk about their status of mind. They usually take such steps, but they should talk to person to whom they should want, like parents, friend, teacher, colleague, anyone. One should not believe in ending their life for sake of any reason. I believe that there are many ways when you feel like all the gates have been closed for opportunity. There definitely one gate which will be always seeking your attention, will be waiting for you to come and open that gate and look after the huge opportunities which you have in your life. Those opportunities can be less or can be bigger, but they definitely opportunity will be. Even sake of any reason, I believe that there are many ways when you feel like all the gates have been closed for opportunity. There definitely one gate which will be always seeking your attention, will be waiting for you to come and open that gate and look after the huge opportunities which you have in your life. Those opportunities can be less or can be bigger, but they definitely opportunity will be. Even for youth of a country or the world globally is very aware around different things, and they're so good in surfing over internet, and they can look after different things. There are different studies over the mental health status. So I believe everyone should talk about it. No one should stay in a dark room and dilemma or in confusion that to whom we should talk, why we should talk. People will judge us. No one will judge us. The person who believes you, he won't judge you. He will support you for the reason because you are his friend. He cares about you. So I would end my ideas about it from here only. So thank you so much.